bread. Very sharp instrument right there. Very sharp. Key ingredient. Okay. How do we do this shit? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't need 3, I need that one. Fuck you off. Don't need you. First we got to butter the bread. Oh shit. Shit. Hang on. Kettle's chips. Perfect side dish for revenge and chip sandwich. I'm making a chip sandwich. I'm hungry. This is how to seal in the freshness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go, that seals in the freshness. And that's how you make a chip sandwich.